Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add border to third page in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we create some blank page in this document. Press Ctrl Enter on your keyboard. Then zoom out this document to see the all page. Now we can see here many page inserted. We click the first page, then go to the layout menu, click the break option, then select next page. Then again click break option and select next page. Then click the third page and go to the design menu. Click page border, then select the box option and choose a border. Then click the apply to drop down menu and select this section. Then finally click OK. Now we can see here inserted border the third page in this document. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.